first of all.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did. They're clean. But first of all, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm not liking what I'm seeing right now. You have to explain it to me a little bit. I'm sorry. You had an apron. I don't have an apron on. Just let's go.
Okay, so anyway, what we have here is a big old flounder.
Right.
Typically what we're going to do with the flounder is we're going to bone it out, save the fillets, use the fillets or something. And what's left over is the carcass. Okay, and this is just the bones, a little bit of meat, some skin, and
Is this the same size?
No, that's why we're not using that.
Oh, it's too big.
So typically it's just either used for stock or not thrown away. So instead we're using this for meat farms. So what we're going to do is put a little salt and pepper on these. Are you doing salt or are you doing pepper?
I did pepper.
Do salt. There you go. Season, a little seasoning on them.
Yeah, I gotta be honest with you, I'm not crazy about this already. I don't know. I'm playing.
So anyway, we're going to dredge them in flour. Okay, just press them in flour.
Is this mine? Like
Sure.
till the end, so I
Very
see
end.
this like just better? Okay.
Alright, now what we're going to do is take some butcher's twine. Here you go. And we're going to tie it around the head.
In a double knot?
Any knot you want.
Okay.
Alright, once you got it tied around the head, tie it around the tail.
Okay. I don't know, Andy. I'm not liking this.
Alright, so you end up with something like that.
I'm not there. Is that tight enough?
A little tighter. There, that's tight.
I'm stuck. Seriously.
Pick them up. Shake out the
Wait,
flour.
before I just need to know what we're doing. I have to get a grasp of this.
Well, we're going to do a seafood dinner, and we're just going to sit in this. It's going to be a basket.
I love baskets. Okay.
Alright, so now we're going to do the deep fryer.
Right.
We're going to put these in gently, slowly, so I don't get burned. Okay? Go ahead, just lower it in slowly.
Me?
There you go. Drop it in.
The tail. Fix
It'll
the
be
tail.
alright. It'll be alright. Don't check these. No. Just gotta let it go. Okay, we're going to let them sit here and fry just like this for about 5 minutes.
Alright, so when we meet with the client, you're going to tell her it's a fish carcass?
It's kind of hard to hide. Trust me on this one.
What are these?
Roadkill.
I love it.
Pretty much.
What is that? Fish carcass?
It's a fish carcass.
Isn't this cool?
And what do you do
Alright,
with
this
fish carcass?
client, we got this client that just wants to be over the top of every little thing. So she is going to be amazed when Andy comes up with this for her Jeff Pickle sampling. I'm so excited. So wait, is it time yet?
What do you think?
I think so.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
Carefully lift them out. Don't get hot grease on your
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love it. Oh, look at that, Dan.
That's perfect. So it's
It's a fish carcass.
Yeah.
Some people may think this is gross.
Yeah.
I don't though. I think it's really clever. And they don't have to eat it.
It kind of has a walk through San Francisco fish market
Yeah.
kind of
That's
Asian
cool.
feel. Kind of.
That's very cool.
All right, so now we'll let these things cool at room temperature. So we don't want to refrigerate them. We refrigerate them, they get soggy.
All right.
So just gotta shove them aside here. Let them sit.
Now what?
Do something with those.
Am I just put
drop them in. Drop here. And then flip, come up and turn them over. Whoa!
Holy cow!
There you go.
Now again?
No, that's not. Now lift them out.
You want to pour on these?
And then you set them over there and drain. Alright,
Okay.
these two things here and just sit for a while we go on with the rest of it. We've got these beautiful prawns with the heads still on. See, aren't they pretty?
They are.
We're going to grill these puppies off, and that's going to be part of this. We're going to cut this your string off your flounder.
Is that my basket? Wait. I want to see it first. Hold on.
Is that the pretty?
Okay.
If we get lucky, we won't break it.
So, 150 of these we're going to do, right? Oh my God.
Here, you got to try some.
To eat it?
Try it. Go ahead. That's
Someone say food.
Oh my God. It really is good. You know what it
Kind of
is?
flounder chip.
You know what? And you're right. It's like, yeah. But it doesn't taste fishy.
Save the end of the tail.
The whole thing is edible. We're going to take some of the fried bean bread noodles
Make a little
and
bit.
make a nest. Because your flounder basket, although it's nice, isn't perfect, it's not going to sit up 100% right. Okay, and then we're going to take, we have a little bit of spring mix here and a ponzu vinaigrette.
Sweet, nice.
We're going to just toss that up a little bit. Because this is going to be served room temperature. All the seafood and everything's room temperature.
Didn't preset.
No, are you kidding? We're going to do this a la minute. So I'm not going to use my hands. I'm going to
Oh, too cool.
Okay? So we've got a little bed going on here. And make sure I've got everything here. Now we're going to start building it. Take a couple pieces of asparagus. We'll set those in like that. Want them to stand up nice and
A little
tall.
height in there.
A lot of height. We'll take one of these beautiful shrimp. We'll lean that in there.
These are awesome.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Then we're going to take this wonderful claw beef that we have here and set that in like that. Take one of these nice scallops. Kind of put it in like that. We have everything we're looking for
Oh,
there?
no, the cow.
You think?
Yeah, it's a little like right there. Come on out.
Getting to be a big meal. Alright, and then we'll take one of these plantain chips that we have and stick it in somewhere. Put better back here. Alright, in that little area. Alright. And then we may want to drizzle just a little bit of this dressing over the seafood. Like that. Take a little bit of lettuce coming out of it.